There's going to be a snowstorm.
Yeah, we got a storm coming this way about 8 o'clock tonight.
So look at the ground now. We have grass.
Supposed to get anywhere from 15 to 18 inches is what they're saying. Yes, I'm coming, baby. Baby Rags.
It's a lot warmer than it was yesterday out right now.
I don't feel any warmer. There's cold air on these work pants. Alright.
Everybody's excited. The bunny's hopping back and forth. Hello, spring. The chickens are happy. The bunnies are happy. You want to take this one because it's in my hand?
Just sit it down on the steps. Huh?
Oh.
Oh, it's not that heavy. It's only 7 pounds.
What's 7 pounds?
A gallon of water.
I thought it was 2 pounds.
6 to 7 pounds is what a gallon of water is.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, then why would they say the milk is a gallon?
Because a gallon weighs 6 to 7 pounds.
Is the measurement and the weight different?
Yeah. The measurement is in cups and quarts. And weight is in pounds here. Why don't you go to school?
I don't know. I'm tired. It's my nap time.
You gotta wait, girl. You gotta wait. You're gonna get wet while I splatter this on you. Wish the weather would change, girl, so that we wouldn't have to do this. I can get the garden hose out. Start giving you good fresh water out of the garden hose.
At least it's nice and cool.
The one hen's got a little blood on her head.
Aww.
Must be her comb cracked or something. It's from the cold.
Yeah, it's really cold out. Poor thing. Can that happen?
A lot warmer today than it was.
Can their combs crack?
Yeah.
I never heard
Yeah, I'll
of
see how the tops of some of the male combs have turned black. That's from frostbite.
There's no reason to be frostbite. You guys should go inside.
Not all that smart. These chickens.
Well, don't worry. The duck is actually swimming in the water right now.
Chickens aren't the smartest.
Clay, the duck's actually swimming in the... The duck is in the water. Now, guys.
Yeah.
She decided to get right in there. Okay. He came out through the door. That was funny.
I put most of their corn in here, that way the
Yeah.
snow doesn't cover it up.
Right. He's inside the barn making sure everybody's got food and water in there.
Alright, you guys are next. The rabbits are first.
So we carry buckets of water out, or jugs of water, food. They get fed and watered inside and out, but the duck decided that she's going to go in there. Now that's a female because she's brown. Yeah. Oh, she's headbutting people. Daisy's headbutting the chickens. She's brave. She's headbutting the chickens because she wants to swim. Look at her.
Who's headbutting the chickens?
Daisy.
Oh.
Look at her. And so we're alternating kind of with water bottles and feed dishes because the water's cold out here. So this way, you know, they have water for the bunnies.
Here's your pellets,
to make
young
sure
lady.
because it's so cold.
You gotta wait till I get your water.
Yeah, she needs her water. She has a bowl of water, but it's probably frozen by now, I'm sure. Was your water bowl frozen, sweetheart? Hello.
She got a dog bowl. Here.
Oh, she drank. Sorry, did you dump it
Take
out?
it back. There you go, young lady.
It's cold, so we have to keep, making
I'm going to take and put a, because of the storm, I'm going to put a feed bag over top of this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
This door, keep the snow out of there.
Yeah. There you go, sweetheart.
Alright, you're next here.
Now let's go inside. I had these really super thick socks.
California dog.
How did Sonny's water do?
What's that?
Did she drink all her water?
Yep.
Okay.
At least it didn't freeze up.
That's what I was wondering. Did her water freeze?
No.
I'll come in and see her for a
That's
second.
good. There you go.
Come in. I haven't seen Sonny in a couple days. Well, I've seen her, but
Well,
not talked to her.
you come out and do chores with me and see her every day.
I know. We gotta do other chores. These house chores. There she is. I'm not gonna disturb her. She's happy, eating and drinking, and so getting chickens water in the chicken side.
Well, they've got water outside of you, baby.
I know, but just give them some.
This little hen here is...
What little hen? What little hen? Oh, she's. Oh,
She roosters keep bumping her.
Aww. So he's making sure she gets a good drink in here.
Okay.
So we always make sure if somebody's little, he might throw corn down and stuff. Did you put corn in there for her?
Yes.
Okay.
These chickens in here.
Okay. So we gotta keep grabbing the water. Got plenty of water. And pretty soon this chore will be over with all the water filling. But it's not too bad. Here you go.
Okay. I also got to go out and get the feed for the quail.
Okay. I'll talk to you for a minute. Hey guys!
Open the door, you don't know.
I was waiting to get my... Alright, so now we're in the barn. Everybody's gonna get their share. Nobody's gonna be forgotten. There you go. Yeah, this one's not frozen like the other one.
Alright, girls, now you can take care of the quail without being harassed.
That's an extra for them to keep them warm because they need that whole kernel corn. And right now they're running into two barns.
Take care of the quail.
Do we need more water? Are they all watered?
What's that?
Do I need to get more water? Are they all
No,
watered?
they're all set. I just got to give these guys some. Give them their feed. Alright, guys. There you go.
Well, guys, in about a couple weeks, you guys are going to auction.
Some of them.
Not too far off.
And the other ones. There you go, girls. You guys got a little water left over, you guys can have that. Look at that. And we don't carry water back in the house. Oh, I think I'm going to put that little black hen in here if these guys don't beat her up.
You're bring her in now?
Yeah, I'm going to bring her in here.
Okay.
Not bad for her. She's lost a little weight because those big roosters won't leave her
Well,
alone.
yeah. Put her over this way.
Oh, what a-
Yeah, right there. She's actually about the same size as these guys.
Well,
Is she a Wyandotte?
Yeah, she's white.
Oh, yeah, she'll fit right inside.
There's two Wyandottes in here anyways.
Right. They probably won't even notice. Okay, we done in here?
Her chick from last year and the white chick.
We done in here?
All set. Oh, I gotta grab that.
So, okay, I'm gonna go,
I grab my scoop.
and I'm gonna go inside.
Shut her down.
I'm gonna go inside and get cold.
Yep.
Look at these guys. Alright, I'll reach inside. Oh, bird. I think we got everybody. Rabbits. All the rabbits are fed.
Rabbits are all fed.
Chickens fed.
I've got to take one of them bags though and put it over the outside
Oh yeah.
that door.
Okay, well you better stay out and finish that. I'm gonna go in.
Well, you can grab some of the stuff and take it in.
Yeah, I'll take some in.
It's only going to take me a second to drape it over.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I just didn't know if you were gonna be out here. Were you done with outside chores? Okay. A good duck got out. Now she's over there. Maybe she'll think about laying a nest this year. She laid some eggs last year, but I don't think she's probably too young, like Clay says, to know what to do with it, maybe?
Well, it probably is her first bunch of eggs.
Yeah. I really love geese. They're a lot of fun, but boy, are they loud. We're not going to do them again, though. They're too loud. Not right now.
I let you get a taste of everything.
I enjoy the geese. They're just so, the geese are really sweet, but they're really loud. And we just,
I always like guinea hens too, but they beat up on the chickens.
it's just no reason for them.
When they're all, if they were running loose, the chickens and guinea hens would get along
Yeah, and
fine.
then they get hit by a car.
There's just too many of them there.
That's the problem with this here is you don't know how many people get their animals hit by a car. You just can't let anything run free around here unless you want to, you know, it's just tough.
Yeah, I wonder how the bees are doing.
Oh yeah, but they're all snuggled up for the winter.
They want to open the top on them.
Mm-mm.
Definitely too cold.
So, okay guys, next time you see a video outside, it's going to probably be like a really big storm. But we'll see. We really didn't get hammered this year at all. I mean, this is unbelievable.
It's supposed to be between 8 o'clock tonight and 8 o'clock tomorrow night.
So, we may be able to show you something.
Tomorrow after work.
Yeah.
It'll be about a foot of snow. It's supposed to be anyway.
Which isn't, you know, you got to look at some of our previous videos for snow scenes. What we really get here.
I gotta finish up that rabbit cage.
I know. Okay.
Tar paper in it, but it's been too cold to do anything.
Okay, guys. Like,
You gotta do it while the tar paper's warm.
like, subscribe.
Or it cracks.
We'll see you in the next video and all that good stuff. I gotta do some cleanup here, some dishes from dinner. Okay, guys. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.
Bye-bye.